Student, I welcome you all in today's yet another online session. In today's session, we will be discussing the two important factors related with the geography, that is uh, weather and climate. These are the two different climatic conditions that we have to understand in this particular chapter. But before we can start today's chapter, we have to consider the table which is given on the at the very beginning of this particular chapter. So here we can see Kochi is one place which belongs to Kerala. Kerala is a southern state. The weather of that particular state or place is given cloudy. Second, it is Bhopal, which is located in Madhya Pradesh, capital city of Madhya Pradesh. The climate of Bhopal is hot and sunny. Third is given Mussoorie, one of the important city, hill station in Uttarakhand, and the weather or climate of that particular place is cold weather and the sun, mild sun is there. So this description is given in this table. Now most important thing is there, when you will consider the timing of these three different places, the timing is the same. So what we have to understand, why there is a difference in the climatic condition, we have to understand. Now the weather condition at each place given in the table on the different location on 10 June, it is being mentioned there. The first place is Kochi. Kochi is a place in Kerala and it has a cloudy weather. We have already seen here. It means that there is little sunlight and the rainy season is already started, because generally in India rainy season begins from 7th June, and as it is rainy season period is there, so therefore we can see now the air may be moisture laden in Kerala, and therefore what happened now, it will take a long time for the clothes to dry, and you may have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season. Now let us move to the second place, that is Bhopal, which is in Madhya Pradesh, capital city of Madhya Pradesh. Timing mentioned is 12:30, and the climate condition we have already seen, it's a hot and sunny. It will take short time because there is a sun, hot sun is there, and the water in the wet clothes gets converted into vapor quickly, and the clothes will dry within a short time. Now we will move to the third place, which is in the North India, Mussoorie. I have already told you it's a hill station is there, and the timing is mentioned is 12:30. Now the climate here is cold weather is there and mild sun. Mussoorie is located to the north of Tropic of Cancer, hence it receives less solar heat. We have already seen this, mild sun is there. The air is cool too, and due to its location on a mountain, the clothes take longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. So these are the some of the climate different locations, climatic condition, and we can say now how much time a cloth will get to, how it will take to get dry, we have seen. Now I have going to give you some questions based on this. You have to complete the given assignment. Thank you.